After collecting all of the references for your project, you can insert citations and bibliographies into Word. Let's walk through the steps to use the Word Citation plugin for Mendeley. Step 1. Open Word and Mendeley Desktop. Make sure the Citation plugin is installed from Mendeley. The install is available in the Mendeley Desktop Tools menu. Step 2. Select the References tab from the top toolbar in Word. Mendeley Cite-O-Matic should appear as the third option in the References toolbar. Step 3. Place your cursor in the document where you want the citation to appear. Select Insert Citation from the Mendeley Cite-O-Matic menu. A new box will appear. Step 4. If you know the author or title of the reference you want to cite, you can use the search box to find it. Or select Go to Mendeley to open up the desktop app and select the reference from there. Click the reference you want to cite in the desktop app, then click Cite from the top toolbar in Mendeley Desktop. Step 5. To edit your citation to include page numbers, highlight your citation and select Edit Citation from the Mendeley Cite-O-Matic menu. This button will be where Insert Citation was originally. The citation search box will reopen. Highlight the reference in the search bar and add page numbers in the page number column that appears. Once you have finished editing, click OK. Step 6. Change the citation style for your citations. Select the citation style from the Style drop-down menu in the Mendeley Cite-O-Matic menu. The citations will automatically change to the style you select. To learn more, check out the Mendeley guide or the other videos in our tutorial series. Need help? Email, chat, or drop by.